Hello, this is Siule. I'm at Le Chateau in Ile d'Orléans. This is a magical little village filled with shops, restaurants, and oyster farming huts. Today, our yoga is going to be Himalaya Kriya for detoxing the mind and body and raising our frequency for a more magical life. Himalaya Kriya is really weird looking, and you may not dare to do it, but if you're brave, come with me. One of the reasons Kriya works so well is because you focus on the doing. The brain doesn't get in the way. You come into the feeling body, which is a vehicle to your higher self. Moving in ways we've never moved before breaks down patterns. Breaking the patterns in the body, you break the patterns in your life. Let yourself wiggle, twist, become lopsided, become unrestrained, become free, or spastic, or stomp, or pounce, bounce. Let your body move without the brain getting in the way. Now with knees bent, keep them bent, lift the heels, and drop. And fall. And plop. Exaggerate the plop, keep going. Like you're a stone dropping to the earth. Whatever you don't need falls off you. Inhale, the arms come up. Exhale, ground. Witness how the body feels without any commentary. We begin to massage the back of the neck on either side of the cervical spine. You can rub, you can tap, you can do whatever feels good to get in touch with the back of your neck. Now we begin Kriya, the weird stuff. Start tapping the back of your neck and the top of your head. Let your legs be wide apart like you're riding a horse. Your eyes are looking at that spot where you're tapping on your head. Stick your tongue out. Exhale through the open mouth. What do you want to release? Let it go out through your open mouth now with the exhale. It's like you're taking a broom and you're cleaning, dusting off a beautiful Persian carpet. Hands meet at the center of the body. Inhale as the hands go up. Exhale, slap your legs, release. Just witness the body, no commentary. Right leg crosses over your left. Squeeze the legs together with the knees bent, as if you need to pee and there's no restroom. Pull it all in and up. One hand squeezes your temples and wiggles, the other hand holding and swirling the tip of your nose. The tip of the tongue is at the roof of the mouth. Now begin breathing like Darth Vader, but fast. It sounds like this. Opposite leg crosses in front, bend the knees. Keep wiggling and breathing like Darth Vader on caffeine. The breathing is like you're wanting to fog up a pair of sunglasses with your exhale through the nose. Release. Right elbow underneath your left elbow. Index fingers of both hands are at the tip of your nose, pushing your tip of your nose down and wiggle. Keep the tongue tip at the roof of the mouth, squeezing the pelvic floor in and up, eyes at the midbrain. Breathe like Darth Vader on caffeine. Other side crossing arms, other side crossing legs. Crossing your legs and pulling the energy in and up helps to keep you grounded and also creates what's called Mula Bandha, a root lock, to preserve your energy. Crossing the arms helps to balance the left and right hemisphere of the brain, the Ida and Pingala. Swirling the tip of the nose cultivates an uplift, upsurge. Inhale the arms up, exhale, let them slap down. Do that a few more times. Witness the body. Cross your arms, hold on to your ears, pulling at the tops to extend them up, pulling at the middle to extend them out, pulling at the earlobes to pull them down. Keep your focus on the midbrain, as if there is a light bulb there, and with each breath you are causing the light to be brighter and brighter. Inhale as you face forward. Exhale, turn to the left. Inhale to center. Exhale, turn to the right. Keep that going with Ujjayi breath. If you're moving fast, breathe like Darth Vader, very fast. Yes, this practice can look pretty strange, but we don't call it Darth Vader breathing. It's called Ujjayi. That's the Sanskrit name, and it means victorious. So please, breathe Ujjayi. Continue Ujjayi, and slow it down when your movement becomes slower. Opposite arm underneath. Pull at your ears as if you want to make them bigger. Keep the eye gaze between the ears like you're creating more space between your brain hemispheres. Breathe slow Ujjayi. Inhale in the center, exhale to one side. Inhale to the center, exhale to the other side. This creates more space between each vertebrae, working on cerebral spinal fluid, making the spine more spacious and supple. Now inhale and hold a lot of breath in. Hold the breath. Pull up the pelvic floor. Consider what you want to release. When you can't hold the breath anymore, open the mouth, eyes up, throw it out with the exhale. Inhale the arms up the center, exhale, slap the thighs, witness the body. Take your first knuckle and put it right below the earlobe. That's the TMJ, where the earlobe meets the jaw, and start rubbing. It can be quite sensitive. Create a little bounce. Eyes up, tongue out. We call that Kali Mudra. When you exhale through your open mouth and the tip of the tongue is looking for the chin. Release anything that is not serving you. Add the legs, kicking them from side to side. As you practice this Kriya, you may feel a need to burp, laugh, cry, vomit, cough, make noise. Let these things out so they exit your cellular structure. Inhale your arms up the center. Exhale, slap the legs. If at any time you're feeling a bit lightheaded, lay down onto your belly, letting your forehead touch the ground. Grab onto your shoulder blades. Really dig your fingers in. Separate the legs like you're riding a horse. Turn from side to side using a fast Ujjayi breath. Eye gaze up, tip of the tongue to the roof of your mouth. Most every Kriya is done with eyes to the midbrain, tongue tip to the roof of the mouth, and Ujjayi pranayama. Or the tongue is out and you exhale through the mouth. The perineum is lifted, Mula Bandha. Opposite elbow on top. This Kriya works on lubricating the spine, works on the heart chakra, and increases immunity. Slowing it down, letting it go. Inhale the arms up to center. Exhale, slap the thighs. Feel your body. Wrap your arms around like two snakes. Make the figure 8, leading with the hands. The body follows. We continue to work on the heart center. Completely embody your body. How does it feel to be in this body now? Other side. Wrapping your arms around, making the figure 8, leading with the hands, the body follows. Inhale, draw a line up the center of the body. Exhale, flap the legs. Stick your tongue out. Let the tongue tip point towards the sky. You're breathing through your mouth between the upper lip and your tongue. Grab your eyebrows with the thumbs and first fingers. Wiggle the eyebrows from side to side, breathing through your mouth between the tongue and upper lip. This breathing style goes through the Saraswati Nadi, which lubricates the joints. This Kriya helps to open up the channels in the head by releasing tension in the thinking mind. It creates an upsurge. Inhale, the arms up. Exhale, slap the legs, feel. You're going to make the shape of an O with your mouth, like fish lips. The index fingers go on either side of your nose, the thumbs underneath your jaw. Rub up and down. This is for balancing and grounding, breathing through the mouth. Your fingertips come to your jaw. If there's an area that feels particularly tight or painful or numb, rub there. Eye gaze up. The mouth is open and you're just releasing noise. It's organic. Now take your palms and force your mouth closed. The hands push up while the fingers are grabbing onto the cheekbones. Your mouth forces itself open against the pressure of your palms. Release sound if that's natural for you. Eye gaze is up. Inhale the arms up the center. Exhale, slap the legs. Send the upper body forward. Bend at the knees. Do a little bounce. Tap the tailbone and the back of the neck. Kali Mudra. The mouth is open, tongue sticks out, eyes roll up. Exhale through your open mouth. Keep that going. Your back of the neck and the spine all the way to the tailbone is connected and is cleaning right now. You are detoxifying. Imagine black smoke exiting your body through your spine. Inhale, come up, send the arms up. Exhale, slap the legs. A couple more times. We're going to do an upsurge. You're going to plant your hands onto your knees. The knees are bent and your spine is long. Take 5 deep inhales and exhales. After 5, exhale everything out. No air in you at all. Then take a mock breath. You pull the belly in and up. You squeeze the sexual organs in and up. The solar plexus pull in and up. No breath in you for as long as you can. No breath, no breath until you cannot stand it anymore. Then inhale and surge the life force up through your spine. Exhale from the crown of your head like that life force is showering back down into the earth. Inhale up your spine. Exhale, shower it down. It's a macrocosmic orbit. Please practice this upsurge one more time at your own pace. We are surging life force up the body, raising our frequency, tuning in to higher vibrations, connecting with our higher selves. This is a good place to end the practice. Or come with me for one last Kriya. If you choose to finish your practice here, please lay down, making the shape of a gingerbread man, closing the eyes and being present with the sensations in your body. Please rest in Shavasana. Please feel free to turn off your video now. Or come with me for one last Kriya. Tapping at the back of the head. This is where the Bindu point is, or the occiput. It cultivates unity awareness. It's like the lens in which you see the world. You see the world, life, objectively, like a mirror without distortion. Let one hand tap the top of the head. This is to open to divine guidance, to higher power, a portal to receive divine blessings. Place your thumbs at the Bindu point at the back of the head. The first two fingers touch the top of the head, called the Brahma Guha. Now inhale from the top of your head to the middle back of your skull. Exhale from the back of your skull to the top of your head. Inhale down from the Brahma Guha to the Bindu point. Exhale up from the Bindu point to the Brahma Guha. Microcosmic orbit. Please rest now in Shavasana or come into a seated meditation if you like, as we finish our practice here. Thank you for sharing your yoga with me today. This is Siule saying, see you later.